morning folks, if you're on there, my name is Trams and welcome to today's daily vlog. It is Tuesday, the rest of the date will be in the description down below with everything else as well. That's information about today's, my last vlog, last weekend vlog as well. My social medias, that's Instagram, my Twitter and a Facebook group. Other channels what I run, that's James and Grace Vlogs, J&M Travel Transport and Chat Show, and James Games hasn't set off yet. And the 5 steps we can take if we through that out properly, please let us know in the comments down below. It would be appreciated. And it is 0902. There you go. So, plan of action for today. Well, I got myself a tissue. I might have picked a spot over this side. Nope. So, plan of action for today will be the BHF from basically from 9:30 or just after through to 5 o'clock. Roll what we're doing probably on shop floor, but I do not know yet. Most likely be shop floor. If not, then do bits and bobs. I'm doing a bit of steaming, tagging, taking stock down, taking donations up, and so forth. And then about lunchtime, go for my lunch, probably about 12 o'clock to half 12 probably, or just before. And then on shop floor to cover for the other volunteer if they're in. If not, then I am on shop floor all day. One basically when I got ready, shop floor, and then I said one of the pay staff will cover me for my lunch. They come back, they go upstairs, they're probably go on their lunch, and then I'll be on shop floor for the rest of the day or the rest of the afternoon. And then if the volunteers in, with no meeting on Tuesday, I'm almost said a Sunday, then I will be doing bits and bobs and just sorting stuff out. I might as well do a bit of cleaning if that volunteer's in. So that is just the main stuff that I will be doing. But first I might have a cup of tea first before I go. So yes, I don't mind getting there just after 10. If you can set up for these 9:30 and get there for 10. Bob's and Uncle. Or just before. So yeah. Anyways. So the rest of the plan, finish at 5, walk back here between 5:30 and 5:45, and go on computer and edit the vlogs from yesterday, today. This is after 9 o'clock for this one, and I might do the full weekend vlog tomorrow, or leave it while of the weekend, okay, Friday. What we will see. It's going to be a full weekend vlog coming this weekend. Just so you guys know. Anyways, what else to mention? Will I be getting Tram 16 today, this week? Maybe. But I did say yesterday I might go and find it. That's the title it was. And I didn't, as you know. But anyways, on that being said, I'll get on and I'll speak to you all in a bit. I hope you enjoy today's vlog. It's probably going to be a short and sweet one for you guys, but probably a bit busy one for me. So I'll catch you all in a bit. So enjoy. Okay, folks, It is now a bit later in the day. It is 21:09 do that again. 9:09 PM or 21:09 is the time. That's the time, and here is my cup. Of the week, cup of the week for this week. It is a Snowdonian Railway mug cup, whichever you want to call it. So, before I get into the video, there is 2 comments, so if you want to stay out for that, you're more than welcome. I'm going to do that at the end. I'm going to try best as I can to read it out and what video it is from. So, what have I done today? Got up, got ready, started a vlog. Then I did not have a cup of tea. And I do say I normally start my day with a cup of tea, except for the vlogs. But I'm like going out, chilling out, doing whatever, gardening, whatever, taking rubbish down or whatever. I always have a cup of tea beforehand. Anyways, so instead of no cup of tea, I got ready and then gone down to Hillsborough, down to the shop, got ready, and then do what I normally do. Well, for today and probably for the next few weeks or so, for both days, Tuesday and Wednesdays, I will be on shop floor all by myself. So yes, that gives an away on what I've done today. Shop floor from basically when I got there just after 9:30, or about 9:45 to I think about just before 12. Did a few bits and then went for my lunch, because one of the pay staff came down to take me off, and then after my lunch did the odd job, and then basically shop floor again until basically until about 4:30 till one of the pay staff, or the pay staff who took me off for my lunch, came down, and actually they came down and I took donations up and a few bits and bobs down, make sure everything is switched off and whatnot, and then 5 o'clock finish, and then come from there, go from there. So yeah, and if you're wondering what I'm listening to in the background, it is actually the Stockton Town versus Stockbridge Park Steelers for the Northern Premier League match, and it is Stockton 2, Stockbridge 2 at the moment in time. By the way, that's if you can hear some voices in the background. Anyways, so 5 o'clock, came back here and basically just chilled out, watching my YouTube catch up. Was actually, I can tell you who I watched. And this is in the order as well as I have watched. I want to say their first name, or else I can say their full name. Joe with his City Bus Manager, episode 1, where he's exploring in a different place. Tom Pemberton's Farm Life, when they're basically letting the cows out of the field, onto the field. In Trucker Tim. And then watched Farmer P, as well as currently listening to Stockbridge Park Steelers live commentary, and I currently got Potts 10 with his basic unclogging of pipes from David, etc. Anyways, that's that. I just shut that for the rest of the night, and I did transfer the clips over onto the computer from the camera. So I basically got to transfer today is over, but I can't edit it until after I've done the other one, so I can get him in order. I better try upload them probably tomorrow, but I don't know yet. We'll see. Anyways, that's that. What else? Let's talk about these comments. So 3 hours ago, who is a, how long was he subscribed for? For 3 years, and you don't put a comment that often, so thank you for your comment. It says probably subscribed to you 3 years, with brackets 3 years. And you, thank you to Alan. I do apologise if I said it wrong. Train Mad, thank you for your comment. You have put, hi, has Steve been got smaller orange, I'm not too sure what that is, on duty? Lol, thanks Alan. Thank you for your comment. The video you put a comment on was a Mother Railway. Is an edited video as well, what I've done. What would have been a replace of the vlog. The Mother Railway at Blue Circle Cement and Monster Beat Station over the years. Is that from recording Steve at work? If it is, let us know. If you're talking about that Steve. And thank you to, I'm going to spell your name out. You only posted it two hours ago. Thank you to NATURAL space DRIFTER. Thank you for your comment. You put, you live in Grimsby. No. And that's on a Roblox video. I am not from Grimsby. I'm from South Yorkshire of Sheffield. Give it a while wear at Sheffield United or Sheffield Wednesday shirts on football Sundays. So yeah. And I work for one of them as well. So thank you for your comment. To your answer, as I said, no, I'm not from Grimsby. I've been to Grimsby with a friend. I even went past it on the train ages ago when I was going on a day trip from Sheffield to Cleethorpes, what goes actually through Grimsby on Transpine Express when they decided to run before they cancelled their services, well, most of them anyway. Anyway, that's a different story. So thank you to you and Alan for your comments for today. It is appreciated. I don't know what the title's going to be for this one. So I working on my own. bidding nomates or something like that. So yeah, by the way, I'm going on. It's gone on for 10 minutes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed the transport videos and all that good stuff. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're around here, my name is Trams. Everything you need to know is in the description down below. That's information about today, my last vlog, last weekend vlog, my social medias, that's Instagram, my Twitter, and my Facebook group. Other channels what I run, that's James and Grace Vlogs, J&M Travel, Transport and Chat Show, and James and Games, and including this one, James Eccles Transport and Vlogs, what is my main one, and the 5 Steps Weekend Tech. So please subscribe, like, comment, put your notification on for upload, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. So have a good night, or I'll see you in the morning. So be bye.